Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. Quantitative aptitude video on profit and loss. We are going to cover few questions involving two or more articles. Our question is, the cost price of two refrigerators is same. One is sold at a profit of 20% and second is sold rupees 800 more than first one. The overall profit is 25%. Find the cost price of each refrigerator. The given options are option A 10,000, option B 8,000, option C 7,500, option D 8,500. We solve the question as both the refrigerators have the same cost, so we write 100 for each refrigerator and the total cost is 200. Now profit is 20% on first, so this is 20, and overall profit is 25%, so 25% on 200 is 50. It means that if first refrigerator is earning rupees 20, then profit on second is rupees 30, as the total profit is rupees 50. Thus there is a difference of 10% in selling price of the two refrigerator. It means that 10% is equal to rupees 800 as given in the question, because second refrigerator was sold at rupees 800 more than the first one. If 10% is 800, then 100%, which is 10 times of it, is 8,000. Thus, cost of each refrigerator is rupees 8,000. And from the given options, our answer is option B, rupees 8,000. We go to the next question. Our question is, three silver coins have same cost. First coin is sold at 10% profit. Second coin is sold at rupees 1,000 more than first coin. Third coin is sold at rupees 400 more than second coin. If overall profit is 20%, find cost price of each coin. The given options are option A 9,000, option B 6,000, option C 7,000, option D 8,000. We solve the question like this. First coin is sold at 10% profit and overall profit on each coin is 20%. So I write 20% here on first coin as well. And second coin is sold at 10% plus 1,000. This has also 20% profit overall if we distribute overall profit. And third coin is also sold at 10% plus 400 more than the second coin. So it will be 1,400. 1,000 plus 400 is 1,400, and this is also the overall profit is 20%. Now if we add all these, then this is equal to 30% plus 2,400, and this is equivalent to overall 60%. This gives 30% plus 2,400 equal to 60%. If we subtract 30% from both sides, then we get 30% equal to 2,400. Therefore 100%. How to calculate fast? If 30% is 2,400, it means 10% is 800. And 100% is 10 times of 800 is 8,000. So each coin is costing 8,000. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 8,000. I hope you have understood the shortcut method by which I have solved this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, the cost price of two TV sets is same. One is sold at a profit of 15% and other is sold at rupees 4,800 more than first one. If overall profit is 21%, find the cost price of each TV set. The given options are option A 45,000, option B 40,000, option C 42,000, option D 50,000. We solve the question as each TV set has the same cost. So we assume both have the cost 100x each. Then total cost is 200x. First has the profit of 15%, so it is 15x, and second is sold at 4,800 more than the first one, so it has the profit of 15x plus 4,800, and the overall profit is 21%. So the profit on 200x is 42x. Therefore, if we add the profits of the two TVs, that will be 15x plus 4,800, that will be 30x plus 4,800, and this is equal to 42x. Therefore 42x minus 30x is 12x, and this is equal to 4,800. Therefore 100x equal to, the cost of each is 100x, so 100x equal to 12x is 4,800. Therefore x equal to 400, and 100x equal to 100 times of 400 is 40,000. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 40,000. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. We can solve this question even without involving assumption of x. I will show you how to solve this question without involving x. The first TV set has 15% profit. The second has 15% plus 4,800, and overall profit is 21%. It means that if we distribute the profit, then first is also has the 21% profit and second has also the 21% profit. If we add the two sides of the profits, then this will be 30% plus 4,800, and this is 42%. It means 12% equal to 4,800, therefore 100%. When 12% is 4,800, 1% is 400, therefore 100% is 40,000. 400 multiplied by 100 is 40,000. This way we can solve without involving the x in our assumption. And from the given options, our answer is option B. The cost price of two metallic statue is same. One was sold at a profit of 40% and the other one was sold at rupees 4,500 less than the first one. If overall profit is 25%, find the cost price of each statue. The given options are option A 18,000, option B 15,000, option C 12,000, option D 20,000. We solve the question. The first statue was sold at 40% profit and second statue was sold at 40% minus 4,500, and overall profit is 25%. It means that the first statue also earns 25% and second statue also earns 25% if we calculate the overall percent. Now if we solve this, then adding the profits of the two statues is 80%, 40% plus 40% minus 4,500, and on adding the average we get 50%, 25% plus 25%. These two are equal, so we equate them, and on solving 50% transferring to left hand side, we get 80% minus 50% is 30%. This is equal to 4,500, therefore 100%. 30% is 4,500, therefore 10% is 1,500, and 10 times of 10% is 100%, therefore 10 times of 1,500 is 15,000. Therefore, the cost of each statue is 15,000. And from the given options, our answer is option B. We go to next question. Our question is, the sum of purchase price of two coats was rupees 3,200. First coat was sold at 15% profit and second at 20% profit. If first had been sold at 20% profit and second at 15% profit, the person had earned rupees 20 more. Find purchase cost of each coat. The given options are option A 1,800 and 1,400, option B 2,000 and 1,200, option C 1,700 and 1,500, option D 1,750 and 1,450. We solve the question like this. We assume the cost price of first coat to be 100x and cost price of the other coat, second coat, to be 100y, and the sum of these two coats is 3,200. We could have assumed it x and y, but when we assume 100x and 100y, then it is easier for us to calculate the percent. And if we had assumed x and y, then the percent would have been in decimals or in fraction. So it is always better to assume 100x and 100y whenever there is a involvement of percent. In first case, the profit is 15% on first coat, that is 15x, and 20% on second coat, that is 20y. So sum of the profit is 15x plus 20y in first case. And in second case, 20% on first coat, that is 20x, and 15% on second coat, then it is 15y. And the sum is 20x plus 15y. In second case, we are getting rupees 20 more. So if we subtract first from second and equate it to 20, then we can solve it easily. So on subtracting first from second, we get 5x minus 5y equal to 20. We multiply it by 20, then it becomes 100x minus 100y equal to 400. We had 100x plus 100y equal to 3,200 and 100x minus 100y equal to 400. If we add these two, then this becomes 200x equal to 3,200 plus 400 is 3,600. This gives 100x, which is the cost of first coat, equal to 1,800, and cost of second coat is 3,200 minus 1,800 is 1,400. Thus the cost of first coat is 1,800. The cost of second coat is 3,200 minus 1,800 is 1,400. And from the given options, our answer is option A. Now we solve this question by shortcut method. In first case, the profit is 15% on first coat and 20% on second coat. And in second case, the profit on first coat is 20% and on second coat it is 15%. If we subtract first from the second, then we get 5% of first minus 5% of second equal to rupees 20. Therefore, 100% of first minus 100% of second equal to 400. We multiply 20 to 5% of first minus 5% of second equal to 20. Then we get 100% of first minus 100% of second equal to 400. If we subtract 400 from 3,200, then it comes out to be 2,800. Now we divide it into 1,400 and 1,400 and add 400 on first coat. Then it comes out to be 1,800, which is the cost of first coat, and 1,400 is the cost of second coat. as the difference between the costs of first coat and second coat is 400. So we keep 400 separate. That's why I have subtracted 400 from 3200 and divided 2800 equally in two parts and then added 400 to the first part. So the cost of first coat comes out to be 1800 and the cost of second coat comes out to be 1400. And from the given options, our answer is option A. This way we can solve this question by shortcut method. We go to the next question. Our question is, a person purchased two motorcycles at rupees 40,000 each. He sold first at a loss of 15% and second at a profit such that his overall profit was rupees 3,600. Find his profit percent on second motorcycle. The given options are option A 20%, option B 24%, option C 15%, option D 25%. I will solve this question first orally, then write down all the steps so that you can understand how it was solved. The first motorcycle was sold at a loss of 15% and 15% of 40,000 is 6,000. 10% is 4,000 and half of 4,000 is 2,000 and half of 10% is 5%. So 10% plus 5% is 15% and 15% equal to 6,000. Or directly we can calculate 15 times 400. Putting the decimal after two digits, we get 400 multiplied by 15 is 6,000. So 15% is 6,000 and that is the loss of 6,000. And overall profit is 3,600. So first we have to cover the loss of 6,000 and then we have to make the profit of 3,600. Therefore, the total cost which we have to collect on second motorcycle is 9,600. 6,000 plus 3,600. And 9,600 is what percent of 40,000? That is our answer. So we cancel two zeros in both the numbers. 9,600 becomes 96 and 40,000 becomes 400. 96 on 400, therefore 1/4 of 400 is 100 and 1/4 of 96 is 24. Therefore the overall profit on second motorcycle is 24%, which is our answer, and that is option B from the given options. I hope you have understood whatever I have solved orally. Now I am putting up all these steps which I have narrated orally so that you can understand how it was solved. 15% of 40,000 is 6,000. That was the loss on first motorcycle. First he earned 6,000 on second motorcycle and then 3,600 more, as the overall profit was 3,600. So 6,000 plus 3,600 equal to 9,600. Therefore 9,600 is the profit on 40,000. So we write 9,600 divided by 40,000 multiplied by 100 to calculate the percent. The two zeros of 100 is cancelled by two zeros of 40,000 and two zeros of 9,600 is cancelled by remaining two zeros of 40,000, and 4 divides 96 for 24 times. So this is equal to 24%. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 24%. We go to the next question. Our question is, Tanisha purchased two shawls for rupees 1,920. She sells one for 3/4 of its cost price and other for 4/3 of its cost price. She makes overall profit of rupees 220. What is the cost price of expensive shawl? The given options are option A 950, option B 1000, option C 1200. Option D, 1250. We solve the question like this. As first is sold at 3/4 of its cost price and second is sold at 4/3 of its cost price. So we should assume the cost price to be multiple of 3 and 4 so that we can calculate the fractions easily. And multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So we assume the cost price of first shawl to be 12x and cost price of second shawl to be 12y. Therefore 12x plus 12y equal to 1920, which is the cost given to us of 2 shawls. And I give this equation to be equation number 1. Now this is our cost price and the selling price is first is sold at 3/4. So the selling price of first shawl is 3/4 of 12x is 9x and selling price of the second shawl is 4/3 and 4/3 of 12 is 16. 3 divides 12 for 4 times and 4 times 4 is 16. So it is 16y. Now the overall profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 9x plus 16y and cost price is 12x plus 12y. And on subtracting cost price from selling price, we get minus 3x plus 4y, and this is given to us is rupees 220. We multiply the equation by 4 to equate the coefficients for eliminating x. So we multiply 4 to minus 3x, which gives us minus 12x plus 16y equal to 880. And I give this equation as equation number 2. And adding equation number 1 and 2, we get 12x is cancelled by 12x and 12y plus 16y equal to 28y, which is equal to 1920 and 880, that is 2800. Therefore the cost of second shawl, which is 12y, if 28y equal to 2800, therefore 12y equal to 1200, each y equal to 100 and 12y equal to 1200 or 1200. And cost of second shawl is 1200. When subtracted from 1920, we get 12x equal to 720. So the cost price of expensive shawl is 1200. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 1200. Hope you have understood the solution of this question. Do lot of practice. Solve as many questions as possible from different books on this topic to become expert in solving questions of profit and loss. Please watch all my videos on profit and loss in quantitative aptitude playlist of this channel. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thanks for watching.